In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy page to your Weebly website in just 5 minutes. Privacy policies are essential for any website as they outline how you handle the personal information of your visitors. Let's make sure your site is compliant and transparent by adding a privacy policy page. First, head over to the Weebly website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Use your email and password to access your account. It's always a good idea to keep your login credentials secure, so consider using a password manager if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, click on the login button and you'll be directed to your Weebly dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the overview section. This is where you can manage everything related to your website. Next, click on the edit site button to make changes to your existing website or to add new components. Now, let's focus on the task at hand. Look for the pages button and give it a click. This section allows you to manage and organize the various pages on your website. To add a new page, find the plus icon and select it. This will prompt you with options for adding different types of pages. Choose standard page for your new privacy policy page. Naming this page correctly is crucial, so input privacy policy as the title. Once you've done that, confirm by clicking on the done button. This step ensures that your new page is ready to be customized. Now that the page is created, click on the privacy policy page to begin adding content. Navigate to the Build tab. This is where you can start designing and adding elements to the page. To add content to your privacy policy page, click on the option to Show All Elements. This will display various elements you can use to create your page. Among these options, find the Embed Code block. Click and drag it onto your privacy policy page where you want the content to appear. This block allows you to add custom HTML or external content. Click on the newly added element to highlight it and then select the Edit Custom HTML button. This is where you'll paste your pre-written privacy policy code. Ensure that this code accurately represents how your website handles user data to comply with privacy laws and regulations. After pasting your code, you'll see the content of your privacy policy display on the page. And there you have it. You now have a privacy policy on your Weebly website, making it more robust and trustworthy to your visitors. It's a simple step that adds a layer of professionalism and transparency to your web presence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.